Hey, what's going on, guys? Jordan here, back with another video today. You know the drill. We have another sneaker unboxing. Gonna go ahead and grab the box and get into it. Got the box right here. These are from Foot Locker. These also took me like 3 hours to finally get through on Foot Locker, but it's all good. We got the pack right here. Grab our knife right here. Boom. Go ahead. Crack this open. I've noticed in my videos, I don't even show me actually opening the box. Just kind of down on my lap right here. So we're gonna hold it up with one hand. Go ahead. Almost stab the shoe boxes inside. Crack them open. Put the knife away so I don't kill myself. Open this up. Get rid of the receipt real quick. And as you guys can see, we got the Jordan 13s in here. You guys already know what released this past weekend. Well, actually almost a week ago, because it came out last Saturday. Today is Friday. So you already know what we got going on right here. Nice Jordan box. I'm actually, and it's damaged right there. Not too bad. It's got like little poke holes in it. Not really a fan of that, but there's nothing you can do about it. It could be a lot worse. Got a little dent right here. I've seen some messed up boxes, not of this particular pair, but of other shoe boxes, like look just like it got like ran over by a car or something like that. But this box still intact. We guys already know what we got going on here. The Jordan 13 Flint, size 9.5, navy, university blue, marine, blue Carolina, same thing. Right there. I'm really liking that Jordan brand is doing different boxes for different shoes. Like the metallic purple 4s, you had the white and purple box. Flint 13s, which I believe this is the normal box for 13s. I haven't had a DS pair of 13s before. I've had a few pre-owned pairs with no box, but this is the first time having a pair of 13s with the box, so I'm not sure if this is the normal box they come in or not. And then obviously, you know, you got the Jordan 1 box with the Nike Air on it. But Jordan 13 Flint 2020, these were, like I said, these were pretty hard to get. They came out at 10. I missed the drop at first, so I didn't get on until almost 10:15. I forgot about I was eating breakfast, and ended up sitting on my computer for a good 3-4 hours, and I hit these at like noon, between noon and 1, I think it was. But it doesn't matter how long it took. We got the pair, so we're gonna go ahead, crack these guys open, see what they look like. Jordan 13s are not my favorite silhouette. But these, obviously Flints, these are clean. I've had Jordan 13s before, low tops. Not really huge fan of them. Not really something I'll wear too often. But these are clean, obviously Flints. One of the best Jordan 13 colorways. My favorite part, obviously, about the 13 is that little spot right there, as you guys can see. Try to get it close up as I can. The cat eye right there just goes crazy. Obviously, these are based off of a panther paw, or a panther in general, with the whiskers, the eyeball, all that stuff. The feet, or the outsole kind of looking like a cat paw. But Jordan 13 Flints, go ahead, get this other shoe out of here. Oh, close the box, open the box, close the box, toss the box in the back real quick, and just get quick up close of these, of course. Jordan 13 Flint. I know I've been watching my videos, obviously when I'm editing them, I tend to say the colorway a lot. It's just a habit, just talking about the shoe, what the shoe is. But these are clean. Obviously I'm not keeping these are size 9.5. I were 11. I tried to get 10.5 in cart for my friend and couldn't even do that. Honestly, I was just rapidly 8.5, boom, nothing. 9, nothing, 9.5, nothing, 10, just like that, and just randomly got 9.5 in a cart and just went with that, not buy them. But here they are, Jordan 13 Flints, 2020, one of the best, yeah, I would say probably one of the best, or it definitely is one of the best Jordan 13 colorways, but one of the best Jordan releases this 2020 so far. Up close of the shoe and get out of here. So you got the navy blue kind of cat whisker. I think this is mesh kind of effect, mesh going on right here with like the cat whiskers right here. Gray suede on kind of like the mid of the upper and on the midsole. Goes around to the back as well, and then medial side, navy blue whiskers. Outsole real quick, white, gray, navy blue right there. Blue Jumpman or blue pod thing with the black Jumpman, white right back here. Flip it over to the toe box, white leather toe box, white tongue, Carolina blue Jumpman on the tongue. Inside, navy blue, and I believe this is, I can't even see what the color is. Is that green or gray? Kind of looks green on camera, what I'm looking at right here. Whoops. But you guys can see the Jumpman in there, white laces, the whole deal. Jordan 13 Flint, definitely a really good colorway. But anyway, guys, that is going to wrap up this video. Hope you guys all enjoyed. Check out my Instagram, Twitter, Snapchat, resale page, Fizz Kicks, clothing brand Fizz New York. Everything will be in the description below. If you guys did enjoy the video, make sure to go ahead, like this video, subscribe if you aren't already. Comment down below if you guys managed to cop a pair of the Flint Jordan 13s, and how many pairs were you able to cop if you did. I was only able to get one pair, this pair right here. One of my friends hit on like 4, 5, 6 pairs, I think. He got like 2 10.5s. He hit on Nike sneakers. I haven't hit on Nike sneakers since 2018. I know, it's just the way it goes. Anyway, Flint 13s, like I said, comment down below if you guys managed to cop, and I will see you guys all in the next video. That's it. Peace.